My name is Leonid and I'm a client success representative in product development company Six Dojo. Well, first of all, I will never sell my principles and join the rival competitor of my current company. For example, if I work for Coca-Cola, there is no chance I would sell Pepsi-Cola products then. First one is empathy. This quality is crucial to put the salesperson into the prospect's shoes and understand what really matters for your prospect. Build your strategy around it. The second one is enthusiasm. You can know and say on the right thing, but if you are not enthusiastic about your role or your product, you are likely to fall short in your true potential. The third one I would like to admit is a hunger. Hungry person is always has an advantage in front of those who doesn't have it. I think I won't tell something new to this question. You may read various books of famous authors who build their career in sales, but the real experience you can get only on the battlefield. Companies that are hiring salesperson usually have their standards and methodologies of how to sell, how to present their product or service. For newcomers, they will provide training courses to give basics and prepare for trenches. It's better to rephrase the question and ask how often they agreed. Yeah, potential prospect who has never heard about the service that company provides are more likely to refuse the offer in the first round. But the main point here is how long you can hold a punch. Well, nobody likes when someone tries to make them pay for something. But when the salesperson acts as an advisor rather than an annoying pushy guy, showing enthusiasm to help, it's always appreciated even if the client isn't ready to buy your product or service at this moment. I think the worst thing that I ever said to my client was that his request is out of our expertise and we can help him. But even this time, we usually recommend some of our partners that can handle client's problem. Well, I think definitely it should be a stubborn and very persistent animal, kind of a bull or rhino or bear at least. All people are different, and I suppose everyone has met people that have never worked in sales but had a great abilities to convince other people, make them do what they want, or change their opinion about something. This kind of people have natural skills to be a salesperson, but I would say it's a small percentage. Most of the salespeople achieve results through hard-working practices, long hours of learning people behavior, and improving self-discipline. That's it. Sales is not for you if you don't like challenges, that's a fact. The second, also you should think about another job if you don't like rush and prefer more calm rhythm of life. I would say it's a blood of a company that drives life's energy to the other parts of the system. Also, sales it's not easy thing. Convincing and working with people could bring you lots of impressions, both of positive and sometimes disappointing. It's an unstoppable competition where weak are leaving and the best grabs all the prizes. In the end, I will add that this position for those people who plays in the long run. Usually I celebrate it with a good pint of beer or maybe two in the bar with my colleagues that helped me to close this deal. They are also a part of this success. Don't take it personal. Fall in love with your work and try to find the best solution for your prospect. Satisfied customers bring more customers to you. Keep it in mind.